Then Prashant Bagde sir, he's working as the executive accounts. Then our nursing in charge and ICN and WSS of various wards. First among the picture is Jessie Abraham. She's our nursing in charge, followed by the ICN, Rahil Patrange, Deluxe Ward WSS, Mary Chaco, OT WSS, Nisha Ashok, CC1, Preeti Joseph, CCU2, Sindhu Rao, Jyoti Katre, Gynec in charge, NICPICU, Lata Kakre, Kavita Bodile, looking after casualty section, Kavita Godfode. Actually, she was the in charge for deep, now currently looking after A wing. Kumari Shaji, she is the nursing supervisor for OPD. Jasmita, she is in charge for Jaivik ward. Rosama Sangeep in charge for A wing. Then we have Feba Mol KG, she is in charge for CCU3. Coming on to the mission part. What is the meaning of mission? Mission means a specific task that has been entrusted by the management. And what is it? We are committed to promoting wellness and delivering comprehensive healthcare with compassion, competence, and excellence. That means promoting means to give support. Wellness is a state of being in good health, and delivering comprehensive healthcare means all elements. We are covering all the aspects of healthcare, and compassion is to understand the feelings of the patient. Then competence with all the capability and ability. Then excellence is the quality or the brilliance, the distinction that we can when we are providing our best healthcare to the incoming patients. This is our mission. Now, what is the vision of OCHRI? Vision means to think, to plan for the future. The vision of Orange City is to create a positive impact within the available resources in the interest of patient care and to provide quality, comprehensive, curative, and preventive Medicare services. Both these mission and vision, you have to learn it by heart, because when we have the inspection round for any BH, the assessors can ask you the vision of Orange City and the mission of Orange City. Make sure that you know it word by word. Then the values of Orange City is the excellence. That is to provide exceptional quality healthcare and services. Integrity is to develop a mutual trust with each other. Innovation is to embrace change, creativity, continuous learning and personal growth. Compassion to serve with dignity and respect those who come to us. Teamwork is that we all work as a team. Respect. We respect and respond to all individuals with honesty and integrity. The quality is, our goal is to be recognized leader in our marketplace, recognized for innovation, quality, responsiveness, and value. Continuous improvement. Excellence in customer satisfaction entails continually searching for and identifying ways in which the organization can achieve higher standards of customer service by improving efficiency, effectiveness, and timeliness. One of the best examples for continuous improvement is the class that we have. We take class around the year to improve ourselves. Then coming on to the grievance handling, which is a very important topic as far as the NABH round is concerned. Now, what is a grievance? A cause of distress or a problem that we have. What are the types of grievance? The grievance can be major or a minor. Major means sexual or physical assault, physical violence, alcoholism, anti-establishment activity, and minor can be any other grievance other than the major, which does not affect the safety of the hospital and the complaint. Now, if we have a grievance, we can approach the committee that has been allotted for 2021. Our chairperson for the grievance redressal committee is Dr. Usha Nair, and members Dr. Priya Ladda Madam, member Mrs. Manjari Damle Madam, member secretary myself Mrs. Sarama Samuel, member Priya Shashi Madam, and member is Mrs. Jessie Abraham. If at all you have any problem or grievance, you can approach any one of them in a written way, and you can tell your grievance in a written by giving it in writing. Then coming on to the working women's safety at workplace, prevention of sexual harassment at workplace, we have a committee called as Internal Complaints Committee. This committee is very important as far as the women is concerned, because our hospital promotes women's safety at workplace, and to provide safety to all the incoming patients, may it be the females working in the hospital, may it be the patient, may it be the visitors that are there in our hospital. Any female within the premises of the hospital, they can launch a complaint if they have any problem related to this act. Now, if there is any complaint in this regard, they must contact the internal committee that has been formed to address the issues. The internal committee consists of member Dr. Usha Nair Madam, the chairperson Dr. Anup Marat, the member Smita Harkare Madam, she is the coordinator for OT. Then the member Sri Chalam Sir. Then external consultant, we have Advocate Dinesh Nair Sir. Then member secretary myself, Mrs. Sarama Samuel. Then we have our CGM Sunil Suresh Sir, our quality head Dr. Priya Ladda Madam. Then we have Mrs. Manjiri Damle, our deputy manager for administration. Then nursing in charge, Mrs. Jessie Abraham. You can approach any one of them for if you have any complaint related to this committee, that is the sexual harassment at workplace. Then we have the departmental manuals being provided to all the employees in their particular ward. You all have to go through, you must read it, and you have to implement it in your daily working. Thank you and all the best.
संपला क्लास.